want to ask about my eating habits.
Good morning, teacher. Tell me, what is your main concern?
I often feel tired my day because my diet is not balanced.
I see. Can you tell me what you usually eat in a day?
In the morning, I only drink coffee, which is rice with fried chicken, and dinner is noodles.
Okay, that means you eat less vegetables and fruits. You also need more variety and protein.
What should I do?
Try to eat breakfast with simple options like fruits and boiled eggs, add vegetables to lunch and dinner, and drink more water.
I will try. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's meet again in 2 weeks to check your progress.
Thank you. Sudah.